Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y33s and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. At the second position here we have location option with short info from the device that this can show location info in photo and video details. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location we have to tap to the center to get access to gallery options and move up to the second from the right button with I letter. And here we get access to details with location at the third position. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.